Hey guys, it's Gina back with another video, and today we're doing some food pantry type cooking. First thing in the pot is half a cup of whole milk, cup and a half of water, a tablespoon of butter. To that I had a bag of frozen shrimp. It's not the battered kind. It's just regular plain shrimp. I put that in there because they're frozen. I'm also going to add in to the pot, if I can do this one-handed. I am going to add into there some of these green peas. And yes, I'm turning it around this way so I can do it, and no, I cannot see what the heck I'm doing as far as the camera. However, that's all well and good. We're all right. We're going to make it. I've got it turned up. It says to boil everything before you put in the noodle pack. And this is one of those quick and easy dinner ideas. We had this bag given to us by one of our food pantries. So, yes, that's what we're going to be using to make dinner tonight. That's the main part of our meal tonight. And that only has to boil for like 7 to 8 minutes. Or no, it says 11 minutes until pasta is tender. Okay, so I lied, 11 minutes. But anyway, and this one is just the creamy garlic shells. And I thought that would work really, really well with some shrimp and some peas, things that will go together. You saw in my previous video the crostini. I'm probably going to put some of those along with this as kind of the garlic bread component of this, since we got like three tubs of those. And you know, I'm going to use up what we were given at our food pantry this month for sure, because to take, for them to give it to me and me not use it is extremely wasteful. And if that's the case, then I don't need to be there. So I always use everything I'm given at the food pantry goes to use. And groceries are high. We live in New York. Groceries are not cheap here. The only good thing about groceries in New York State is the fact that the majority of food items do not have sales tax on them. I know people down south are going to be like, what? Yeah, we got state income tax, folks. That's the difference. Our state income tax takes the place of the sales tax on our food products. So, I know people like back home in Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama, Louisiana, places where you all may not have a state income tax and stuff, and y'all pay like 9.25% or something, I think, in Knox County, Tennessee, for groceries. The only thing I pay like sales tax on is if I buy a pop or ice cream or chips or something that, or even like crab legs, I've heard they're trying to do tax on, lobster, things that you don't really have to live, but regular run-the-mill food, no, there's not sales tax on that. But now I've got that in, and it is down on medium, and it is going to boil for the 11 minutes and stuff. But I thought I would give you this as an idea of something you can do with one of these little creamy garlic things, or any of these other meals. These things, you can use this as a starter, which is what I do a lot of at my house. These are a good place to start a meal with, and you can do it all in a pan, and you got a starch, a vegetable, and some protein in there, and it's quick, easy, and to the point. But thank you guys again for tuning in and cooking with Gina and going to the food pantry with me. If you haven't already, click like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye bye.